Hello computer science students, welcome to computer science students CSC. In this video we are going to see about website introduction. We are going to see about the website W3Schools. Introduction, so we are going to see about the website W3Schools. The official website address is https://www.w3schools.com/. So W3Schools is a school for web developers covering all the aspects of web development including HTML, CSS, JavaScript and etc. Online platform. So W3Schools is a free online platform that provides a wide range of educational materials for learning web development and coding. So it has a lot of tutorials, so beginner friendly tutorials on learning web development easily, and it has a lot of hands-on exercises to test our skills. Once we learn, we can test our skills immediately, and they have code examples. So they are very interactive examples to help us to learn, and they have references for various web technologies also, and they are offering courses for getting certified in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and many courses. When they have web templates, we can create free responsive HTML templates to browse here. Learning. So W3Schools has focus on simplicity. It has practice easy learning. It uses simple code examples and simple illustrations and how to use that one. And it has a basic level and more upon all the way to professional references. The best part of this site is it is completely free and W3Schools is free. So it will always be a completely free developers resource. So make use of this, guys. This is the official website of W3Schools. So it will have a theme. You can go for a dark theme or a light theme here. So it has many options here. So this is how the website is built. This is HTML page. So learn HTML video tutorial, HTML reference, get certified and try it yourself options. Everything is available here. And the same way they have designed for CSS also. If you click on try it yourself, you can find the page and the tutorials. For JavaScript also they have the same thing here, and for Python so many SQL. And if you come down, you can see learn PHP. If you click on learn PHP, you can find the PHP tutorial like this here. And they have jQuery, Java, C++, Bootstrap, W3.CSS. It's a CSS framework, so for that one. And other programming languages such as C, C++, or Kotlin. All the programming languages they will have here. So you can do some code here, and you can, when you run, you can see the output here itself. So you can edit and you can change, and you can directly see what is happening in the code immediately. Okay, so if you are not sure where to start, you can click out here. They will tell you where to start. So to become a web developer, what are the steps you need to follow? So for HTML, you can click on this HTML. It will go to the HTML page. There you can find lessons one by one. You can click on these lessons and you can see. If you try it yourself, you can see the changes here. For example, if I am changing this to Italy, something like this, and if I am running, you can see this italic will be changed to Italy like this. So you can have these options available here, and this is how it is working. CSS, JavaScript. After learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you can learn a lot of things. Those things are placed here. Tutorials. If you click on these tutorials, you can find a lot of tutorials here. You have tutorials and references back to back. So if you click on this reference, you can see the reference of the HTML elements here. So all the references are listed out here. You can click and see what will do what, like that. You can see and learn from here. And if you click on the tutorial, you can find the tutorial page like this. So they have a lot of things here, the left side part. Or else you can go like this one, next to next. You can click and go on, and you can learn the things you want. So exercises is one part is there. So if you are having one thing here, you can just actually do the exercises here itself. In the home page itself, after this tutorial, you can find the exercises. If you click on this, you can find number of applications here. So technologies here. If you click on one particular technology and go for the exercise, it will show you the exercises. So after you click on start JavaScript exercise, you can find they will ask you create a variable named called car name. So I am creating a variable name called car name and assign it to Volvo. So I am assigning it to Volvo. So submit the answer. So it is showing correct like that. You can directly do exercise here. A lot of exercises are there. If you are passing these exercises correctly, which means you are learning it in a good way. So that is how you can validate easily here. So that is one of the beauty of W3Schools. Like this you can easily learn here. Okay. Certificates. So if you want to perform a certificate, so you can click on any one of this one and you can buy a certification and you can go for the certificates. So they will give you certificate like this, certificate completion, the certificate, your name and as first of the W3Schools, like that you can give it. So you can use it for your jobs also. Okay, so for some courses they have the free certificates also. For some courses there will be free available for that. But most of the things are having cost. Okay. If you want to have the certification, you can certify from here itself. Services, so they are offering many services like free tutorials, exercises, quizzes, get certified, upgrade, login setup, preferences, creating a website, like that. Many things they have. If you want anything, you can click and check from here. For example, I have a code game. So I'm going for this game. So they are having this picture. So they ask to enter something here. So if I play on here, I can I can play here. See, like this, you can play this one here. Okay, so if you code something based on this given step, you can easily pass this step. So it is like fun and play and learn easily like that. So they have a AWS training here, the certification training, free courses they are offering. So you can use all of them easily effectively here. If teachers makes want to use this, they can click on the for teachers association here and you can give your details here and you can make use of this W3Schools as a teacher here itself. So teacher administration tool, coding challenges, everything they will provide. This is plus, so this is the plus area. We can found unlock powerful features. So you can have monthly and annually plans, so you can use this one. So this is free, so we are currently using this one. So we can set our goals. We can host one static website here, not dynamic, it is static website here with the no support and 100 credits per month. Here you can launch websites based on this $15 per month. They have this opportunity. You can cancel it any times like that, and you have another opportunity is there. So classroom, so you can avail use of this also. Based on the plans, you can use this one. Okay. Spaces. Okay. The spaces has tell you how it is working actually. So this is here. W3Schools space. You can code websites directly in the browser. No setup is required. So directly you can code here and you can do programming here itself. So this is how it could be. So join W3Schools and create a space. You can choose a template or start from scratch and you can edit your code directly in the browser and share your page to the world. So it has some cost setup or free setup. Make use of this one. You can make use of this sign in feature or login feature. You can use this to avail a lot of opportunities. So it is free to use, tracking our progress, setting our goals. We can test our skills here. We can practice coding in the browser itself and can build and host a website. So Twitch toolbox is available. So we can log in with the Google, Facebook or GitHub login, any login here. So this is for tracking our records. You can learn all the courses one by one and we can have a track record of it and we can find easily how progressive we are through here. Please like, subscribe, comment and share my channel. Thanks for watching.